stop guessing on how to fix sound not working in Umamusume Pretty Derby. This is exactly how you beat this audio glitch and hear your horse girls again without failing once. Most other tutorials for this bug are confusing or just plain wrong, because they tell you to restart your phone or reinstall the entire 15-gigabyte game, which usually does absolutely nothing. Before we enter the room and dive into your settings, you need to understand the logic, or you'll just get stuck again with silent race or demonic, glitchy audio. I am going to walk you through this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail at restoring your high-quality game music. Here at Rexish, we have identified that this issue is almost always caused by a conflict between the game's engine and the Windows spatial sound or mobile silent mode toggles. As you open your device, do not launch the game just yet. Most players ignore their system-level audio enhancements, but that is the biggest mistake you can make. The secret trick that other creators missed is that if you are on PC, you must disable the hands-free telephony service in your Bluetooth device properties, because the game falsely triggers the microphone, which kills the high-fidelity output. If you are on mobile, specifically iPhone, the game is hard-coded to respect the physical mute switch on the side of your device. So even if your volume is at max, you will hear nothing until that switch is flipped. For PC users on Windows 11, go to your sound control panel, select your speakers, and toggle audio enhancements to off while turning on Windows Sonic for headphones. This specific combination forces the game to recognize the correct audio driver path, and